Hello, it's Alicia with Ali.plans.cuteness, and I am here to share a reveal of a swap, the Disney swap by Diane's Designs. I was very excited to participate this year. I've been pretty new to swapping. I just started like in the spring, and so it seems that this is an annual thing, but it's new to me. And so I received my package, and I just want to say, look how cool this is. So it is a Lightning McQueen tote bag, and there was some other, let's see, the box had like this really cute little like shred, like everything was so on theme. It is adorable. And so let's look at what I got here. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't dislike Lightning McQueen or dislike cars. I've seen them, I think they're cute. But if you ask me like what are my favorite Disney movies, this would not be on my radar in terms of like what I would pick. And I think that's actually what makes this super special. So I think I love it so much because I never would have picked this. Like I don't have a lot of car stuff because it's not my go-to. It's not that I dislike it. It's just not the first thing that I would think of. And so this to me, when I opened it, I was like so excited. I'm like, this is just so unique and very cool. And so let's get into it and see all of these fun things. So first, let's look at this. This is from Diane at Diane's Design. So she made everybody their own little like gift package, which is amazing and crazy. And I actually had seen this. So I saw, the funny thing, I hadn't seen this reveal. So I watched some of the reveals, but if you've been watching me for a while, you know I'm a teacher and school has started and life is just like crazy right now. And so I'm very like sporadically involved in the crafting community and videos and what's going on. And so I saw some of the videos, but I missed this one. And so I was very surprised to get that. But I did catch the little like who she gave what to video. And so she sent this adorable little pocket. Oop, oop, oop. Which is so fun. And then it has her Diane's Designs on the back. I love that unicorn. That is so cute. And then there's a little Memdex that she made. And she did talk about in her video how like because she's acquired so many pieces over, I don't know how many times she's done this swap, she used a lot of those things in building these new crafts, which is very cool. So everything Disney 2025. Her birthday is May 3rd. Her favorite colors are pink, gold, and glitter. I love glitter, as long as it's not everywhere. I love the sparkles. Favorite projects are swaps, MDC, bows, and she loves paper crafting and diamond painting. So that is a cool little Memdex from her. And then there's this little card that she made that just is basically from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for joining this year. You ladies are so extra special, Diane. Very cute. And then she made these little like she made the nail file holders into like little pen and pokey tool holders. And so I got this pokey tool, which is very exciting. I love pokey tools. I like them more than the pens just because I feel like I don't have as many. So I'm building my pokey tool collection, and I also like I want to make them, but I haven't tried yet because I don't totally know how to like seal it. I know I've seen some things, but I just haven't played with it. So when people gift them to me, I'm very excited. So this adorable little mini, look at these beads, and then this little charm on top. It's so cute. So I love it. So that is not even a swap. That is just the gift from Diane. Let's look at the swap. So this is so cool, guys. I don't even know. I looked at it somewhat before because I got it when I couldn't record and I have no patience. So I had to open it right away. I didn't open the ears though. I could see that there's ears. Let's do that first just because. So first of all, look at this little tag. So it's a little gift tag. It's from Retta, so it says, "To my swap partner, Lightning McQueen holds a special place in my heart. I hope you love what I've created for you. Enjoy your goodies. Happy crafting, Retta." And this is like embossed around the edge, so this is a cute idea. So she just took this embossed die cut and made it a little note to tuck into this tag, which is adorable. But yeah, I didn't want to untie this. So I think she made Disney ears, you guys, which is crazy. Also, look at this ribbon. I'm definitely keeping this and using this. It's very cool, very cool. So we have, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna open it down here. So yeah, it has a sticker that says handmade by Retta Craft. I don't know if it's like something else in between or not. But look at this. I don't even know how you do this. So she took this really cute headband and she put a bow on it, and then she put these Mickey ears and she made them, oh look, she even has like this binding around the edge. I did not notice that before. This is super cool. So these are like a velvety, like a glitter kind of velvety feeling. And then she has these like iron-on patches, one for lightning and one for meter. And then like, it's so cool. And then this on the top, I love it. This is very cool. I do not have Mickey ears from Disney because I think they are cool, but crazy expensive. Although last time I did go to a Disney, I got the little shoulder pets. So my reason for not getting the ears is I'm like, they're so expensive and I'm never gonna wear them anywhere. But then I got the little stuffed animals that like, they're magnetic, so they sit on your shoulder, which clearly I'm also not going to wear those anywhere, but it's fine. It's okay. That's gonna be it. But these are so cool. So now I have ears. All right, let's look at this because the truck I think is the coolest. So there's this little goodie bag of stuff here. These are beautiful. These little sparkly Mickey gems. I love them. I'm all about the sparkle, and I don't have anything like this. Look at these, you guys. Oh my god, I love them. Here. I'm going to take them out so I can show you. I did see these, and I just thought they were the cutest thing ever. So look at this. So we've got like a Goofy cupcake, a Mickey cupcake, Donald, and then is that it? Yeah, that's it. So we've got Mickey, Goofy, and Donald as little cupcakes. Is that not the cutest thing? So she sent some of those, and then a little Mickey Mouse shaker mix. Very cool. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is crazy, guys. This is like, she has this little sticker. Warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. And it did, because look at what she did. She is so creative. So not only making the ears is such a unique thing, she made a truck, guys. So she basically took like the foundation, like a toy truck kind of foundation, and she built a box around it. So she actually made it so that this is a paper craft box that is on top of this little like plastic truck. How stinking cute is that? And then it opens and it's got like the little ramp, and then all her stuff is inside. So this is her mem decks. Very pretty. Let's take it out. So I looked at some of the stuff, but I didn't actually take it out. So look at this. So she has these layered papers. And these are really, like, they almost look like handmade papers or something. And then she's got these dried flowers in the background. Always take the scenic route. And then she put this little Lightning McQueen with the flames. How adorable. Is this not just the best? And then she's got her sticker on the back. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know if I'm missing. So it's like Retta Craft. I don't know if that's like a Retta 2 Craft. I'm not sure. I think so. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, please. Retta, what is that that I'm seeing? And then, oh look, it's even like got the stitching on the edge. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. So there's that. Oh, there's this. Look at, she even has her little like tag. How cute. Everything is like on theme. And look at this pen. So she inked, or not inked, she like bedazzled this whole pen. I love these, by the way. These, like, I think they're like the Ink Joy. How awesome. I love it. I love sparkles. This is just like the coolest. So we have that. And then we have these little bows, and even her bag toppers. It's just so, it's like so simple, but so cute. So she's just got this, and then enchanted, and the little dots. Like, I love this. Let's see if we can take this out easily. Yes, we can. So we've got these really cute little bows with these Mickey and Minnie's in the middle. And then we have this card. Oh yeah, this was, I remember seeing this. Again, I didn't take them out of the little bags, but I did open it. So we have, look at them both. Oh, maybe they are different. Okay, so we have this little Lightning McQueen card. She paper pieced this Lightning McQueen, which is super cute. Ka-chow. She has this like punched out, I don't even know how you would do that. Like, when I try to die cut by foam, it just, these teeny little things would not come out nicely. Let's just say that. And then she's got, look at this little tag on the back. That is just an adorable idea. Handmade by Retta Craft, I don't know. And then the inside, so cute. Little eyes move. So we got that card. We have, oh no, oh, that's right, okay. Oh, I dropped one. Okay, this isn't a card, these are die cuts. I did look at this. So these are just so cute. I thought it was like a card, but look, so she die cut, I don't know, she must have like a Cricut or something, because I feel like this is too delicate to be a regular die cut. Maybe that's how she did the foam. That would make way more sense. So look at all these fun, look, it's so cute. The little Mickey tag. And how adorable is this? She even has the little red like tag sticking out. This is just so cute. I think she actually like colored over these stitch lines to make it look like a stitched pocket, and then put these guys. Awesome. Love it. And we've got this like pennant. And then I dropped one. Let me see if I can find it quick. Okay, I cannot find it quick, but I will find it later. But aren't these just so cool? These are so great to use for crafting. All right, so there's that. And then we have this guy. Oh, this is what I was thinking. I was like, I remember seeing something that had like a set. This is what it was. So she made this adorable hanging flag. This is so fun. I can definitely use this. And she's got this little lightning charm on it. And then on one side, she has Lightning McQueen with the trophy, the backing. And then on this side, she's got Mater. How flippin' cute. And again, everything is like very color coordinated. So all the Mater stuff is in Mater colors. All the Lightning McQueen stuff is in Lightning McQueen colors. So perfect. So we have that. So let's see. And then there's some more bows here. I don't think we're getting much of a glare, so I think I can leave these in there because I don't want to take too much out. So these are like flat bows that you could put on stuff. They're so cute. With these little Mickeys. And then look at this. Oh my gosh. There's another one in here. Yes. Look at these rosettes, you guys. So she's got them layered up. Let me just take one out. I'll take out the Mater because we looked at lightning before. So, okay, first of all, again, she's matching the paper. So she's got this like gold background, and then she's got the Let's Ride in red on it with the checkerboard, and then for the lightning, she has it opposite. But look at how cute this is. So she's basically layered she made this die cut, or this die cut rosette, but she layered the brown paper and then she put like the brown glitter right on top. That's such a cute idea. I've never thought to like just layer them up and like just trim them down and layer them together like that. That's very cute. And then of course she made the little face and the eyes. I love it. And I don't know, these eyes are like dimensional, but they're not like googly eyes, right? Like they're very, and they're not even like enamel dots. They're very like matte. Is that what you would say? So freaking awesome. How creative is that? So we've got both of these guys. And then we have this ribbon. So cute. So cute. And, oh, there's something else in here. Oh yeah, okay, I did see this too. I think I opened this one because I was just excited to see it. So she made this adorable notebook, and you can look at either side. So it's kind of set up where you've got, she has, I think she like made the whole thing. So this looks like she took like corrugated cardboard. And so it's not even like she just covered a pre-existing cover. I mean, she might have added to something, but it looks like she probably bound this herself. Or at least added the covers. So this cover, she's got the inside with the checkerboard theme, and then on the outside she's got the background, and then again put this adorable patch on top. Same thing over here, she's got this wonderful background and then put the patch on top. So creative. This is so cute. I really love this. And again, I think like the fact that I'm not a big Lightning McQueen person is like what makes this so cool to me, because this is not something I would ever think of. Like when I get Disney stuff, I don't ever think about cars. And so now I have all this adorable Cars stuff, you guys. Like, how fun is this? And all this is so like I can use the notebook, and I can use these ephemera and die cuts, and oh, it's just so cute. And now I have ears if I go to Disney, which probably will be a long time. But next time I do, I have ears, which is super cool. So, oh my God, how did I not notice this? She put hinges on this, guys. I just noticed that, which duh, like how else would this open and close? I think I was just so excited about it opening and the inside that I didn't actually pay attention to like, she put these actual like metal hinges. Gosh, this is so cool. This is just one of the most unique projects I've seen. So I am so thankful. Thank you, Diane, for hosting. Thank you, Retta, for sharing all of this like gorgeous talent. Look at this. I was just so excited about like the fact that it's a car. I don't think I looked at all the details on the outside. So we've got this die cut. She's got these like stickers, or like printed. I think it's like printed and maybe cut out. And then she's got like these guys all around the edge. Another sticker. Super cool. Very, very cool. So again, thank you, Retta. Thank you, Diane, for hosting. This was so super duper fun. And I love everything. This was very exciting. So thank you so much for watching, and please go give Retta and Diane both some love. I will make sure that they are tagged, and happy crafting. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.